Let us understand MR300 mini device. Here there is a power switch on and off. Turn on and click on the orange button. So here there is shown a printer error and no cable error because the patient cable is not connected and the paper roll is not inserted. So this is a paper roll. You can open, insert the paper roll, remove it from this scratch as seen, and then close it. So now the printer error will be gone, only patient cable error is seen. So we'll understand the menu of this. So here there are review patient, parameter settings, factory settings, demo mode and communication settings. So in parameter settings, if you enter ECG settings, so here you will be able to change the gain of the ECG, the sweep speed, the long lead, mode and timer. You can click on menu again to exit it. In demo mode settings, if you set the demo mode as yes, you will be able to see the complete waveform. And on clicking on print, you will have a printout of the ECG. So this is feed. To remove the feed paper, the last patient key is used to review the last patient. So first you will have to exit the demo mode. And then click on last patient. So you will be able to see the last two records. You can select the record and review and take a printout again if you want to. In parameter settings, there are machine settings also, which will help you to set the date, time, alarm, the brightness of the device, its pen width, which is the printer width. You can increase the brightness depending upon the brightness control. You can set in alarm, there are three types of alarms which will show printer error, low battery and HR beep. If you turn off the HR beep, there will be no HR beep which will be seen. And if you turn it on, the HR beep will be available. Menu also has an about section which shows you the device ID, its version and the analysis version along with the ECG version. So this will be updated according to the device. In factory settings, we can reset it to factory settings by clicking on yes.